It's cause I'm coming out in the video. My
pastel pink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so obsessed with this?
Guys, finally made it out the house. Jeez, I'm so late, like I'm as per usual. Okay, I'm gonna go meet up with a new friend that I've made here in Paris. We're gonna go have some drinks at this new spot. Okay, so I don't know what to do, but it's summer, so it opens only in summer. So we're gonna go do that. It's a really cool vibe. So yeah, just stay tuned, guys. I am late, so I'm gonna hustle a bit because we are always late. That's just how we do. But anyway, stay tuned, guys. We're now in Saint Lazare. I once showed you this place once before. Now there's people again. Yay! It's buzzing, not as much as it usually is, but still, nonetheless, there's a lot of people around. I'm trying to find the M14, which is over there, somewhere there. Yeah, it's a very fast train. So I mean, I hope that even though I'm already late, that it will help my situation because it's a very fast train. You'll see. I finally found her. Say hi, Brenda. Yeah, we're getting lost. We don't know where we are. Yeah. Like, I'm not sure. We're in the middle of the bushes. If this was like a horror movie, bro, I'm sorry. Like, I don't know. We might be like quarter to dead. But I think we're in the right direction. We're gonna go find this place. It's supposed to be hot, cool. It's a nice area though. It's really cool. Just you know. Yeah. So anyway, guys, let's just keep going. Hopefully we'll find it. I don't know where it is, but we're gonna find it, guys. Don't worry, we're gonna find it. Stay tuned. Bye. Guys, this is the line to get into this place. Wow, this is insane. So I literally think we ordered everything on the menu, but it looks quite yummy, if I say so myself. What do you think, girl? It looks good? Cool vibes happening here. It's a really nice place.
2 hours later.
It's so cool. Look at that. Okay, my hands suck. It's a really cool vibe though. It's a really nice place. Okay, this is wait, but where is the M1, M2? Hold on. Okay. Guys, we don't know where we are. Okay, hold on. Okay. Where is the M2?
I'm coming out in the video. My reflection.
Oh my God. So I am at the station. I think it's past 1 o'clock, but this is the beauty of being in Paris, that there is always a way home, even at 1 o'clock in the morning. And luckily for me, I think I might have made it to the last train out of Paris. But don't fret, if you are later than that, there's always a bus, there's always a way home. So right now I'm just waiting for my train to get me home after a night out. Anyway, guys, it's been fun. Hope you've had a great day with me. I've had a great night. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye. Bonjour, mes amis. So today, friends, I'm going out. I'm gonna go meet a new friend. Yeah, guys, this is what I do. Like, I'm such a liberal, live YOLO type life. Met her on the internet. She's from South Africa as well, so that's pretty cool. So we're gonna go meet up for brunch. We're supposed to be brunch. No, let me not lie. It's not brunch. It's lunch now. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Bye. Okay, so I'm here at the area. I don't know where the restaurant is, but I know it's close by. I think I need to do some walking. Oh no, there, it's right there. That's so cool. Okay, awesome. Found it. So cute. It's right by the station. The station's right here. When you get off, and then it's over right over there. Okay, let's go have some fun. Right? We're by Montmartre. Okay. I don't know where we were. I was confused. But that's where we're going. La Cassette. So cute. There. Say hi, can you say hi to the peeps? We're meeting up.
You know, my sister goes to a YouTube.
Really?
And I like,
So tell me what's her handle?
but you know, she's going to
You heard, guys. What?
Oh.
Yes, I'm still. She's still on. She doesn't know she's still on. Yes.
buy Lungi.
Yes.
She's also into beauty. Like,
Oh.
you and her will literally like she's a makeup queen. Like makeup.
Makeup. I'm gonna follow her. I'm gonna follow you, girl.
But like,
Follow
you
me
need
back.
to see, when I saw like your makeup freak, I'm like, wow. I looked at my facial.
Oh, okay.
So
We need to discuss this. You are so fancy. So this is the place. It's so cute, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at the little flowers up behind her.
Wow. It looks like I have a flower crown.
Yes, it does. So cute. And they have my
And like the
apparel.
lighting is popping.
Yeah, right? It's perfect. It's perfect. Look at this. Okay, guys. It's gonna. Ooh,
Like,
my
we have
own
to
very
do,
own
like, a
apparel. Ooh,
That is
it's
so
going
cool.
to. I should have put this on YouTube, on what's it called, Instagram as well. Yeah, that's true, girl. Why didn't you tell me?
No, we can do it.
That's okay. I'm gonna get another one so we can make
Yeah,
it.
actually, because like the day is so slow, yeah.
It needs to happen. This is so cute. Look at it. It's such a nice place. Really liking the decor in here. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and show you the bathroom because I'm that person. I was gonna show you the bathroom. Such cool decor. Got little tables if you want. Just oh, and the bar. So cool. Really like it. Okay, so I'm going to the bathroom. It's got a cute little sign there. Oh my gosh, the bathroom is so cool! Guys, how's this a bathroom? How is this a bathroom?
When you took my mother, it hurt me so bad.
Oh my gosh, I'm loving this place. Yeah, that's my outfit, guys. Cute, right?
People are dying everywhere, even right next door.
This is so cute. I'm in love with this place. I'm gonna take photos in here, definitely. Yeah. With my makeup doing it's doing funny things, but it's fine. Mommy, actually, Mom, I'm jealous. I'll be a little. I got beef tartar because yeah, we're friends. You know, when you're friends, you do the French things. But looks so beautiful. I definitely recommend this place. It's so cool. water. Oh my gosh, like it is such a vibe. Like really, if you're out with friends, you're gonna go out with your girlfriends, this is a real cool place to go to. I like yummy.
Parisian dessert, darling.
Looks so good. I'm a traditionalist, you know, with my creme brulee. Oh yeah, there's the crack. There's the crack. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. That's what we're talking about. Okay, she's about to crack it. Open that edge up. I'm sure it's oozing chocolate in the middle. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. There's the chocolate. Oh, that looks so yummy. Okay, so today we're being a bit of a tourist. Yes, guys. We do it sometimes. We have to visit the touristy places. We are at Les Champs-Élysées. Oh. Sorry. Yeah, even the tourist buses are here. This is generally the tourist center. If you want to be a tourist in Paris, you come to the Champs-Élysées. Okay. So today there is the arc that everybody comes to when they're in Paris, and this is a road that everybody shops in when they're in Paris. So, but you know, sometimes it happens. Sometimes you need to do it. We need to just face it that we are living in Paris and it's a tourist destination. Anyway, let's go find my. I'm looking for a camera, new camera. So that's where we're gonna go. Where's the air flag? Oh fuck! I'm in the red. I'm gonna get hit. Okay, let me look it up quickly. on a Lamborghini, guys, don't fall for this. Don't fall for this. Don't fall for this tourist trap.
And the marketing
is real, guys. Don't do it. Okay. What you will waste money. Well, you can ride a Lambo anywhere else. Why must you ride it in Paris? No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't fall for the trap. Don't fall for it. Day Kanyo, I had a great time. Meeting new people is great, guys. This is how you make friends in life. Can't be out here waiting for people to find you. Gotta go out there and explore and meet new people. And look, I made a whole nother South African all the way in Paris. So anyway, now I'm gonna go home. But yeah, today I'm just like, I'm just gonna chill. Saturday evening. I think it's like 10 now. Yes, it's 10 and it looks like that. That's Paris or Europe for you. Anyway, guys, I hope you had a great day. I had a fabulous day, really fun day. So we'll see each other soon as per usual in our favorite spot, Paris. But for now, it's goodbye. Au revoir, mes amis. Bisous. Mwah, mwah.